fagioli con prosciutto gratinati. The oven is hot and we are cooking. Leeks au gratin, vegetables gratinate in the oven. Very simple. And I love leeks, but you can use this technique for any vegetables that you like. So leeks, you need to clean them, kind of take off all of the big outer leaves. This is also still a big one. We need to get to the soft part. Let's see. This one as well. Okay, that looks good. And just kind of cut off some of the tough ends. That looks good. And then we cut it right down the middle, just like that. And leeks, you need to make sure you wash them good. Put them in a saute pan where they fit all in. Some water, just like that. Put on the heat. This is the point that I would like you to get them so you don't wait around for those to cook. You get them to this point so you can see that they're wilted, they're cooked, but yet still I have the green. You get a nice baking pan. I like the glass baking pans. And just line the leeks right in. So you can see that you can do this with any vegetable. Carrots, zucchini, you can do it with lots of vegetables. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, just like that. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil. And then I'm gonna top them with prosciutto. Nice, very thin slices of prosciutto because I want them to become crispy. I like chips on top of the leeks. And if it has a little bit of the prosciutto fat, that's good. That's gonna melt away and actually it's gonna impart some flavor on it. Just like that. And this little piece is extra. Love my prosciutto. You put it in a 400-degree preheated oven. About 20 minutes, the prosciutto will crunch up. The leeks will continue to cook a little more, and then we'll put some cheese and finish it off until the cheese melts. Prosciutto is the quintessential Italian cured meat, and it is usually the hind legs of the pig with just salt and air. It is used just fresh as it is, but it also can be cooked, baked for stuffings. It could be laid over vegetables with some cheese and baked in the oven, gives a nice crispiness. So there's endless uses of the cured prosciutto. So we're ready to finish, sort of topping with the cheese and the walnuts and putting them back in the oven. Just a little bit of butter. Okay, I think that's enough. Cheese. You need a cheese that it's tasty and that it melts kind of velvety. So whether it's Gruyere, whether it's taleggio, whether it's provola, any of this cheese that you like and that will melt, you just shred it and put it right on top, just like that. Okay. And walnuts. Walnuts go great with leeks. So I have some walnuts on top. I want them to be nice and toasty and crunchy. And we'll put it back in the hot oven for another 20 minutes or until it's nice and crisp and melted. And then it's ready to be served. While we wait, maybe Grandma could entertain us, sing a few bars for us. It happens all the time at my table.
I can sing, but mostly I sing Italian. Viva la Bon! Questo è il motto triestin, e che la va di ben, e che la va di bal. Sempre allegri, mai passion, viva la Bon!
You know what? I want to taste some because I want to tell you how it tastes. So let me maybe just get here on the corner and kind of cut a little piece for me, just like that. Okay, so that's my service right here. And I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. And it looks like a beautiful mosaic, if you will. And 2 spatulas, just like that. I've got it. Oh, wow. Okay, one was left behind. Should we just put it like that so one knows what's underneath? let's go to the real test here. You see the leeks are tender, prosciutto is crispy. It's really delicious. I love leeks. They're tender, they're mellow, they're sweet. They're green, if you will. The prosciutto is salty, it's crispy. And then the complexity of the melted cheese. And on top of that, the toasted walnuts. What more can you ask for? This is delicious.